Welcome back to Outdoors with the McCalls. Today we're going to do some tractor maintenance. So what is this part?
I'm pulling the oil plug from the oil pan.
Okay. No special tools to do that part?
19 millimeter socket.
That looks pretty nasty.
Yeah, it been needing to come out for a minute now.
Jeez. How much does this hold?
It's just over 7 quarts.
I wonder if I can use it to grease my hair with.
Yeah. It'll be greased forever you use this.
Jeez. That's a lot. I wonder how long it's actually going to take for that to drain.
It might not take too long.
Starting to dwindle down on how much is coming out. Shouldn't be too much more longer. You can tell it's a little slight breeze because you can see it getting pushed back a little bit. Let's see if I can change the angle a little bit.
Yeah, it's blowing there. It don't hold much more than the just a little bit more than the side by side.
You would think it'd be like a ton.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool to see that wind. That side's on. Just the drips.
Water dripping somewhere.
See, y'all been looking at our little bit of pond hole and thinking we ain't had nothing up in here. We got a little something up in here.
I know something up in here.
What you got?
We got 2 of these dogs. These boys over here. That, and then, while I throw that biscuit down there, that big old catfish right there. That's what I'm fishing for. He right there.
He took it.
He ate that bread.
Yeah.
That motherfucker big though. Like he about 5 pounds.
Oh, that catfish probably going to try to eat them jokers.
Oh, he gonna. Yeah, he big enough to eat those fish. But that's where he at right there.
What you fishing with?
One, some red one.
All right, she didn't drain all she gonna drain.
Yeah. Get these plugs back in it.
Take them gloves and go grease the machine.
Yeah, I gotta tighten them up. Now I gotta take the gloves off so I don't get oil all over my ratchet.
Okay. It's raining in there. What is that?
Oil filter.
Okay.
32,430.
You're running straight down.
I have to clean it up when I get finished.
Okay. Do you want me to hold it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Good hand, tighten all you need. Now she's ready to be filled with oil. I'm gonna let it down, but
Oh, okay.
no, I might let it stay right there.
Oh, you had lost it. he getting your fish?
Oh, can I get him? Can I get him?
He getting your fish, ain't he?
I had that bitch.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm good.
Well, you gonna go and grab him with your hands?
I will grab that bitch.
All right, so we're getting ready to fill this bad boy up. That's a lot.
A lot more than this got to go in here.
Look a little better.
Old school. Use your hands to wipe doors.
And that's what they call old school. Country.
They'll probably hold the rest of that. I still got to start up, and once you get in the filter, I put the rest of this in there. I'm gonna let that run down and check it again. Full. Yep. Full. Now I have to start it up and let it run and get in the filter.
Okay.
You gonna walk around now?
I'm about to go around here and crank it up. Hey. Another one coming in.
I put most of this in and then check it.
Yeah, because that first jug definitely wasn't enough, which we knew, but the filter soaked up a good bit, so pouring the rest of it in here. Got it running pretty good. As you can see, no leaks, no drips. That's pretty good there. No leaks. I think he did a good job. Huh? Uh-huh.
I'm rapping about his shoe house.